What's up guys, you're watching another video. Today should be a really sick video. I'm so excited. Right now I'm waiting for the homie Fresh Kicks to pull up. We're meeting him at this gas station. And then we're gonna head to LA and meet up with the homie Anthro Beats with the Supra. You guys remember him. And then we're gonna meet up with the homie Lovell. He just picked up his Huracan from Sheepy race. I'm sure you guys know who he is. I think a lot of car people know who he is because of his music on all these car videos. But he has a Lamborghini Huracan and we've been talking for a while now. He just picked it up from Sheepy race. It got twin turboed and I think it makes 1,500 horsepower, bro. 1,500! I'm pretty sure my car makes like 7. We got the homie taking pictures of the GTR. Just crazy, huh?
My nigga.
I'm trying to get people's reactions to it.
Yeah, I got the kitty behind you, bro.
Oh, really?
I can't fuck with this.
Nah, the Hellcat's hard.
Yeah, I cannot fuck with this.
Yeah, guys, this car gets so much attention. But like I said, the Huracan makes 1,500 horsepower. That's literally more than double my GTR, bro. Yeah, we got another person taking pics. Look. The reactions, bro, that this car gets. I'm super excited to see that car. I'm super excited to meet him. Small little cruise, probably like 5 of us going, but it's gonna be sick. What's up, dog? You like the purple car?
Yeah, my boy supporting the LBT.
That's what everyone keeps saying, bro. There's the homie with the Hellcat. Oh, what happened to the car? Alright, guys. We just met up with the homie Kicks. Oh, I missed my E92, bro. It kind of looks like mine when it was red. And guys, he sold his GTR. No more Nismo GTR. I'm the only one now. Well, Anthro has his, but it's in the shop. I think it's the same exact Valtronic exhaust that I had. I'm pretty sure. There's no way. You guys, look. This has to be the most 85 that I've seen. $5 for 85, bro? There's no way. Oh. Alright, we just met up with the homie Anthro and the Supra. All the whips out here. This shit's so hard.
Yeah, me and Anthro are peasants right now without GTR.
None of you guys have GTRs now, bro.
No GTR boys.
Alright guys, finally made it to LA. Dude, that was the longest drive ever. I literally drove 2 hours, bro. But look, we just met up with the homie Lovell. That shit's hard, bro. Oh, I want a freaking Lambo so bad. And twin turbo. Dude's just casually driving around a 1,500 horsepower Lambo like that. And we're waiting for Bells. He's up there. The GT3 RS. You miss it? Should we trade cars for a bit? You could drive it.
Nah, it's just gonna make me more sad.
Guys, Anthro's car's been in the shop for like over a year, bro. Look, the homie Bells, GT3. We got all the whips out here. This thing's so nice though, bro. Lamborghini Huracan just got done with Sheepy race. And then we got the twin turbo kit in the back. Must be nice. It's so sick. Alright guys, let's get it. It's gonna be lit. Cool little cruise. Probably gonna head to like the beach, go up PCH and hit a little canyon run real quick. We got the Supra, the E90, the Huracan, it's crazy, and the GT3 RS. And you guys know how Bells drives. He does not care. I love this car. So loud. Maybe the road will open up or we get on a freeway and I can race the Huracan. Even though I'm gonna get washed. Oh my god. Oh, this shit's so sick. One of my dream cars, bro, is a twin turbo Huracan. God damn, bro, those turbos are so loud. How clean it looks, bro, in black. I want a black Lambo so bad. It's so low to the ground. Oh, it's literally perfect. sounds the best here. The twin turbo Huracan, the Gtr RS, or the M3. Guys, like we parked on this little like hip. All our cars look lower than they really are. This shit is so clean, bro. You almost broke your lip, huh? It's all good though. Nothing happened.
Bro, it sounded like the whole thing.
It sounded like I heard it, and I was like, God damn. This shit's so clean, bro. Look, we got carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber wing. It's just insane. That shit's fast, bro. You could tell.
If we had like more
If we had more room, huh?
Yeah.
Bro, by the time the turbos you gotta let off.
And like when you leave,
That shit is on the speed bump, bro.
doing a thing like that might not be good.
Yeah, it's gonna bend it.
This is all bent, bro. Oh my god, bro.
You got room still.
Dude, how is it so low? Oh. It's so sketch. Valve doesn't care. Good thing it's not like carbon or nothing. It's just like kind of plastic on. If it was carbon, that shit would be gone. Look at the lineup, guys. The question is, which one are you guys taking though? I'm gonna have to go with the Huracan, I'm sorry. This shit is just too perfect, bro. What else do you need? A Huracan that's black with carbon fiber everywhere and it's twin turbo, 1500 horsepower. Like I literally don't need nothing else. I'll be happy. We might go for a ride in this later on. I'm excited, dude. I want to drive in it so bad. I think the fastest car I've been in personally is probably my own GTR. And it's not that fast. It's fast, but this is like I said, double my GTR horsepower. So I can't even imagine, bro. It's probably gonna make your stomach feel sick. Look, guys, we got the key. Damn. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. I need one so bad, guys. I like how it has the orange accents on the inside and the outside, so everything matches. The twin turbos are the same color. It's so clean. What is this thing? I don't know what that is, but some race car stuff, huh? Definitely not stock. Should I just take it right now? I got the keys. Oh my god, dude. It's literally so sick, bro. Titanium exhaust. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're about to go in a little canyon. Cruise now. That little dog is slammed, bro. That was static. There's no room at all. It wants to take off. I know if he shifts into another gear, that shit's gone, bro. He keeps having to wait for us. Bro, it's probably so much fun to drive. This video is just me trying to keep up with the GT3 RS in the canyon. Bro, I want a Lambo so bad, dude. car sounds so sick. It's so loud, bro. I just find it so fun, bro. This shit is actually insane, bro. I wonder if you'd get bored of 51 horsepower. Guys, isn't it funny? We're all talking about this right now when we ate, but Fresh Kicks is usually known for being in a Nissan. I'm usually known as the Beamer guy. And we're both in each other's cars pretty much, bro. He's in an M3 and I'm in a GTR. We literally switch cars, bro. Alright guys, we're about to get a ride in the Huracan.
About to go crazy, gang.
Bro, this has to be the fastest car I've been in. It's probably scary.
I'll wait till we get on. I gotta like turn ESC off all the time, they told me.
That's
Because
good.
there's still traction control like in the ECU itself.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Dude. God damn, that's when it started pulling like crazy. Oh my god, bro. There really is not enough freeway for this freaking car. Oh my god. This shit is insane. Yeah, I need one, guys. Oh my god.
No space anywhere, bro.
We have to let the car go so far. It's so sick.
And I need to rebalance my wheels too.
The noises this car makes too is insane. God damn, bro. This is legit the fastest car I've been in. My GTR is about to feel so slow after this. Oh my god. I feel like you haven't even stepped on it all the way either. But you
I can't do
bro.
anything.
I know.
I literally can't. Because by the time if I keep going, braking, it takes so much longer to brake. So I
Yeah.
gotta like
That's
let
so
off
crazy.
early.
That was insane. This car's just too fast for these freeways. There's too much traffic in LA. Definitely the fastest car that I've been in. Oh my, that literally hurt my ear, bro.
Yo, is that good?
Yeah,
Oh.
bro. Oh my god, dude.
That's it. I can't make music anymore. Lost frequencies.
No, that was.
I lost
Literally,
I didn't think it was gonna be that loud, bro.
you not everyone's shirts like.
I did not think it was gonna be that loud.
You know what I
Dang.
noticed about it too? This shit spits fuel, bro. You see that? That shit spits fuel like crazy.
It was like $5
I
right
thought
there.
it was raining, bro.
Alright guys, we're probably gonna end the night right here. We cruise all day, literally. We got all the homies out here. I think tomorrow we're all gonna pull up to a car meet, so that tomorrow's vlog should be lit too. Later, bro. Sheesh. Yeah, that shit is sick. Shout out to the homie Night Lovell for pulling up, giving me a ride in the Huracan. That shit was insane, dude. It's my dream car. It legit scares you, bro. Like, you can't even talk. When he does a pull, everyone's just quiet, bro. You can't even speak, dude. Definitely was the fastest car that I've ever been in, dude. That was crazy. It's gonna make my GTR feel so slow right now. I'm gonna feel like I'm driving a Prius. Sound like a Ducati. Yeah, guys, that's probably gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it's long enough too. That was dope. Super fun cruise with all the homies. And that Lambo, bro. Oh my god, dude. I need one so bad. That was my first time ever being like in a twin turbo Huracan like that. First time being in a car with over 1,000 horsepower. And definitely the fastest car I've ever been in, bro. That was insane, dude. And also motivates me a lot to get one too. That car is literally perfect, bro. I want a 1,000 horsepower car so bad now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button if you did. Go cop the merch if you guys haven't already. It's the first link in the description, shopfindingnick.com. Literally almost everything sold out. We only have a few more things left, so if you guys want to grab something, shopfindingnick.com. Smash the subscribe button for me if you guys are not subscribed to the channel already. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for living.